就是我前几天在 IG 上面有问大家说有没有对伊朗的一些问题，然后我收集到了30-40个啊。How safe is Iran? So there's no kiss.
No.
How cheap is the petrol here?
Cheaper than water.
像这样子啊。好，那我们现在要来拍一些，就是因为我前几天在 IG 上面有问大家说有没有对伊朗的一些问题，然后我收集到了30-40个啊。那其实很多人就是会觉得说伊朗不安全，所以我们要来问哈米还有 Boshra，How safe is Iran? That people always asking.
Depends on what you define safe.
I think the Middle East country is very dangerous. That people always say that.
It's completely safe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no bombing or
And
terrorist attacks.
And for me, I can vlogging all the time on the street. That kind of safe for me is okay. If I can bring the camera on the street. 就是我觉得说安全这个东西，因为像我自己是要拿相机这样拍嘛。那在路上走的话，如果不会被抢啊，我觉得这个就算非常安全的。所以我觉得伊朗算是真的非常安全的。And another question I want to ask about the scarf. So what if like a girl didn't wear the scarf on the street? What happened?
She will get arrested immediately.
Really?
Yeah.
Right away.
Yeah.
就是我刚问那个 Boshra 就是问他说，因为来到伊朗，不女生对他们都一定要用那个 scarf. You have to cover your head.
Yeah.
所以就是变成说，如果没有的话，你就会马上被逮捕，就是被抓进警察局。So it's a punishment?
Yeah,
Maybe.
they may, if you do this on purpose, you get in jail.
Oh really?
Yeah, there are some girls that
要坐牢欸
happen that, yeah, they decided to not wear hijab and
Yes.
they get in jail for about 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah,
Oh my
During
god.
last-
5 to 10 years.
Really?
They got arrested during last week.
It's okay to wear the cap?
No.
所以帽子不行，一定要有那个头巾，最重要待5年的那个监狱，我觉得这还蛮夸张的，真的是蛮严重的一个问题啦。How about the boy? If I wear the shirt on the street?
Yeah, I've never seen anyone wear shorts. on the
Never.
street. In the quiet neighborhoods, people do this. Even I do it. I go out to take the trash out. I just don't change.
Okay, go to like office or like
Yeah.
take a metro is forbidden.
Yeah.
They won't get you in jail because you're a man.
Okay.
It's unwritten law.
Okay， 这是一个像潜规则啦，就是男生一定要穿长裤 ，no matter how hot it is, right？对我来说真的太热了，最近几天体感有时候到40度，但是还是要入境水书啊，所以女生一定要有那个 scarf， 然后男生要穿长裤。And people asking, is that okay to hold the hand between couple on the street?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
How about the hug? Maybe
Depends on the place.
if on the street.
No, I mean if there are what do you call it? Yes, the shot. This correction.
If the police that they will arrest you for hijab, that kind
Moral
of police,
police.
宗教警察。
they don't see you, it's okay.
It's okay. Okay. So there's no kiss.
No.
Okay. 所以不能亲在街上。
There was a couple, I think it was a couple months ago, that the boy proposed the girl like this.
On the street.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
They filming it
Yes.
and they got in jail. They got arrested.
No way.
Yeah, because it was an American thing.
讲到一个重点，刚刚那个 Boshra 说，就是可能之前有就在求婚，在路上求婚，然后下跪 and the ring, right?
Yeah.
And got in jail. 就是这样就要坐牢了，因为是 American thing. So what do you think about the America? Of like young people, just
They love it.
They love it.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're obsessed with it.
Like Captain America.
Yeah. That's because I'm a Marvel fan.
Yeah.
But
Okay, yeah. I'm also a Marvel fan. So it's okay to have like American flag at the house?
No.
you would be a spy if you do that.
Yeah.
On certain dates during the calendar,
Yes.
The government puts down tapes the U.S. or Israeli flag to the ground, and so people could walk on it and stomp on it, or even burn flags on the street.
Nowadays.
Yep.
Still.
In my school, they would put the flag in the opening door, the
on
gate.
the ground.
Yeah. So you have to step on it to get in the building.
Yeah. A couple of years back, they did it in the University of Tehran.
Yeah.
You can consider it the most intellectual place. And a professor avoided walking on the painted flags, and he got arrested.
Wow, it's 21st century.
Yeah.
就是呢，我刚刚问说，就是如果有美国的东西可不可以？他说是可以，但是美国国旗这种东西是完全不行的。那甚至到现在哦，在一些专门的节庆上面，他们会把就是政府会把美国国旗放在地上，让大家经过踩过，甚至连那个大学也是这样子。然后呢，有一位大学教授就是没有就是踩过去，然后就被关进警察局了。就是 in jail. Oh my god. Too many information for me. And even the Coca-Cola and Pepsi. They're fake.
They used to be the original factories, but
yes, before the revolution, right?
Yeah.
所以在1970年代那个伊朗革命之前是有Pepsi 跟可口可乐的工厂在这边，但是革命以后，我们现在所买到的 ，if you buy the Coca-Cola or Pepsi in store that it made in Tehran, right?
Yeah.
那就是当地做的哦。Yeah, for me, I think it's the same. But for you, no.
It's different. Yeah.
Compare if you find one in Turkey.
Yeah.
Which one is better?
The Turkey. The factories who make edible things, drinks and food and snacks. Sometimes each batch tastes differently. It's never the same. Everything could be different.
Oh my god, that's cool.
Yeah.
就是每一批他们的味道其实都不太一样，就是品质不稳定的。The woman come to Iran alone. Is that okay?
Yeah.
For travel.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, they don't do anything to tourists. If they saw you're a tourist and even your hijab is bad, they don't do anything.
A lot safer than countries like Afghanistan and Syria.
Alright. Okay.
Yeah. They don't wanna do anything bad to their image to international. So they don't do anything to tourists.
所以就是女生一个人来伊朗的话也是完全没有问题的。他们甚至说，如果你的头巾没有弄好，他们也会睁一只眼闭一只眼，所以算是比较 OK 的啦。最后一个问题是有关宠物的。Is that okay to keep that maybe you have the dog at home?
Not everywhere. Exactly, it happened to us. We had to change our house. And 80% of the house that we checked, they didn't say no dogs allowed.
80%的这都不能养宠物哎，我觉得。
But
even
mostly dogs.
Even birds.
But mostly dogs because they are filthy in the Islam.
在那个伊斯兰教义，就是狗是比较不纯净的动物。
So we went to a riverside picnic, and there were a lot of people there, and so we had our dog with us, and they had their children playing in the river. When our dog went to the river to play around, the guys shouted that take your dog outside. Our kids will get filthy.
Oh my
the
god.
Exact words.
Children are in the river. Don't let your dog be in the river.
In Taiwan, I think it will be on the news.
Tens of meters
above
the river, people were washing clothes. They were washing their dishes in the river.
Oh my god.
With like soap and all kind of stuff. That the water would come down oily from the dirty dishes, and it was crazy. And the only problem was the dog.
So you must be so angry.
Yeah.
But you can do nothing.
Exactly.
No, because they have more power. Because they can call police.
They might even take the dog away. In Iran, they make everything from Islam the law. So if anything is haram, it's also illegal in Iran.
Okay. 好了，那我们问了这么多问题。Okay, thank you so much, Hami and Boshra. I think people will know more about Iran. I think about the last question. How cheap is the petrol here?
Cheaper than water.
Tell me the price. How much for the 1 liter?
There are two ways to buy it. The most expensive way would be 10 cents a liter.
10 cents US.
Yes.
Oh my god. 才3块台币1公升，3块台币。Oh my god, that's so cheap. It's cheaper than cheaper than water.
And the crazy thing is, every car owner has a special card for petrol, and they can get 60 liters every month for half the price.
Well, in Taiwan, 1 liter is like $1.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It's like 10 times. Okay.
That's the only cheap thing in Iran.
Yeah.
2 years ago, when the price get high,
Yes.
there was a huge protest in country. About 2,000 people got killed.
It depends on your car and your gas tank, but approximately you can travel 200 kilometers for
200.
like 20 cents.
因为其实在伊朗他们的 How much is salary for like the college student graduate?
I had a friend who studied civil engineering.
Yes.
And after he graduated, he was paid for 600,000 toman. That's very low.
$200.
That's any simple work here
Yes.
has to be paid like
At least.
at least approximately 4 million. Yes,
Yeah.
$125.
Can't believe
And
it.
for renting a house, at least you have to pay 3 million toman. And when you give 4 million toman, there's only 1 million
To
toman.
survive a
Yeah,
month.
and you can't buy anything with that.
Yeah.
The poor family and not below the average families won't be able to live with that money.
而且现在那个通货膨胀其实又非常非常严重。好，大概我觉得就是这样子，可以让大家知道伊朗现在的状况是怎么样。好，那我们就真的 Thank you, Hami and Bosha. Thank you hosting me. I'm so happy to come here. Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
And,
How?
yeah, really honored to have
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay. That's so nice. That'd be nice.